Hello little learners. This month we will go on an adventure in the world of letters and sounds. Are you ready for your first adventure? Come on, let's get to our wheel of fun and learn something new this month. But first, we have something else to do. Take all of these out, take your parents' help if you need. And now, let's add this month. We first add this wheel, then we add the second one, and finally the last one. Now we'll add a little window of magic, and we're ready. Let's take our card and find the sound K. Where is K? Does it look like this? No. Does it look like this? Yes. That's good. Now let's find the cake. Is that a cake? No. Is that a cake? No. Where's the cake? Ah, here's the cake. Now let's find another word that could sound with K. Is it a boy? No. Is it an egg? No. Aha, it's a carrot. So there we have K, cake and carrot. Now you go ahead and see how many of these words you can find. Great job! Once you're done with this, you can use the coloring sheets and color the words that begin with the sounds K, A, K and H. As always, remember to have fun